Well, back here in the U.S., Republicans are reeling after failing in their first major test of 2017, repealing and replacing former President Barack Obama's signature health care law. As VOA's Michael Bowman reports, last week's legislative train wreck showed that despite controlling the White House and both houses of Congress, Republicans may not have a governing majority capable of delivering on the party's promises to voters.
President Donald Trump's weekly address Saturday invited Americans to look to the heavens.
We renew our national commitment to NASA's mission of exploration and discovery.
One day after his first major legislative push crashed and burned in Washington.
Further consideration of H.R. 1628 is postponed.
I will not sugarcoat this. This is a disappointing day for us.
After 7 years of promising a better plan than Obamacare, Republicans shelved their own health care bill when it became clear it would not pass the House of Representatives. Analyst Don Kettle spoke via Skype.
It's serious in terms of what this says for the president's future legislative agenda. He's got the budget, he's got the infrastructure plan, he's got tax reform, he's got a lot of very big issues that he wants to move forward on. All of them are going to require some action from Congress.
Ultra-conservative Republicans who revolted against the health care bill insist their party can still deliver in other areas.
I can tell you what most Americans need and want. They need lower intrusion from the federal government in their lives. They need lower taxes so that they can take more of their paycheck home. And I know that President Trump and those in the GOP conference are committed to making sure that that happens.
Democrats, meanwhile, have started a new line of attack, arguing that until more is known about Russia's meddling in last year's election, Trump's agenda should be put on hold, including his Supreme Court nominee, Judge Neil Gorsuch.
Let's see where this investigation goes for a few months and delay it. It's up to our Republican colleagues. I hope they'll accept that argument.
But the White House insists there will be no pause on Trump's agenda.
And he's got a lot left on the agenda that he wants to get done, whether it's, immigration, taxes, the border wall.
Except for rebuilding America's infrastructure, there is little on the president's to-do list that will attract Democratic support. Passing legislation will require Republican unity, a commodity the party could not muster last week. Michael Bowman, VOA News, Washington.